Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today I am taking your English grammar period. Okay, now last previous period we learn English grammar verb. What? Verb. The verb means action word. It describes the action done by the noun or pronoun in a sentence. Means verb means doing words. Okay, now this period we learn our grammar 6 parts adverb. Now open your textbook, page number 14. Grammar lesson 6 adverb. Adverb means an action describing word. The adverb is an action describing word. It describes the word. Okay, students. Now see here. I will be write down here what is means by adverb. An action describing word means adverb. The adverb is an action describing word. It describes the verb. Okay. Now see here. Verb means action word. And adverb means action describing word. Okay. Now see here. I will be give example. Now first example is I ate my dinner quickly. Repeat again. I ate my dinner quickly. Okay. Now here will be quickly is describing the action word is ate. Okay. Now here will be sentence ate is action word. And action word describing word is quickly. Now here will be quickly is adverb. Now second, Sam sees many puppies outside. Okay. Now Sam sees many puppies outside. Okay. Now here will be sees is a action word. And action word describing is outside. Which word? Outside is describing sees action word. Means here will be outside is a adverb. Now third example. My father came home early. Student, listen carefully. My father came home early. Here will be early is describing which action word? Came. Okay, now here will be came is an action word and describing word is early. Means early is adverb. Okay, an adverb is word that tells something more about a verb. Okay, now see here. I will be again explain. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. Means an adverb tells how, where or when an action happens in the sentence. Okay, listen. Adverb tells how, where or when an action happens in the sentence. Okay. Now see here. Don't be confused. An adverb never describing a noun or pronoun. Adverb never describing noun or pronoun. But adverb describes the verb. Okay. Now here will be seen, students. Adverb never describes noun or pronoun. But adverb describing verb. Okay. Adjective describes noun and adverb never describes noun. Okay, now see here. I ate a heavy meal. The meal is not action word but describing heavy. Okay, sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. The dresses is elegant. Means here will be dresses is noun. It's elegant. Elegant is adjective. Now look here the same sentence. She dresses elegantly. Okay. Now dresses is verb. But elegantly is adverb because we add here ly. Now see here textbook. Okay, some adverbs can be formed by adding ly to the adjective. However, this does not happen with all the adverbs. Given on the next page are some adverbs that can be formed by adding ly to the adjective. Okay, now here will be see some example. Okay, now first I will be tell you Tajinder plays well. Now here will be plays in action, but how well? Then describing word is well. Now here will be well is adverb. Sarita walks slowly. Now here will be action word is walks and describing slowly. She is always late. Okay, late is action, but always is describing late. The teacher writes neatly on the blackboard. Okay, now writes is the action word and describing word is neatly. We add here ly. See here students. The patient got well soon. How? Describing word is well. We will not add ly. Ronnie dresses neatly. Action word is dresses but describing word is neatly. I get up early in the morning. Get in the action word. Early in the describe. You are late for your class today. Then describing word is late. The child cries loudly. How loudly? Describing word is loudly. My brother came yesterday. When? Yesterday is describing word means adverb. The singer sings sweetly. Describing word is sweetly means adverb is sweetly. It rained heavily last night. When? Heavily. Heavily is a describing word means heavily is a adverb. Okay students, now see here some adjective write down here and when the uses in the sentence adverb means they will add only ly means nice, nicely, loud, loudly, slow, slowly, bad, badly, neat, neatly, dirty, dirtily, easy, easily, sweet, sweetly, sadly. Okay, now you just learn adverb and write down your grammar notebook. Okay, thank you.